Hello guys, today I will show you how to easily create a CV using AI. So first of all, you will open your browser and you will search up for resume now. You will scroll down until you see this link, resume now with the green logo, and tap on it. You will scroll down again and tap on create my resume. You will tap on continue. And now you will choose within multiple templates. So I'm gonna go with the first one, for example, and tap on choose a template. Now you will tap on create a new resume. Okay, so now you will just fill up the basic details. So you will fill up your first name, your last name, the city you're from. So let's say I'm gonna type in Los Angeles, California, the zip code, your phone number, and your email. So once you're done, you will just tap on next experience. Okay, so now you will fill up the previous experience. So you will tap on continue. You will fill up the job title. So let's say mechanic. Now the employer. So for example, Gintani. The city. So Los Angeles, California again. You will select the date when you first started this job. So let's say I started in January 2017 and tap on done. Now you will fill up the end date. So let's say May 2024, like this, and tap on done. Now you will tap on next job description, tap on no thanks. So as you can see, you already have some pre-written phrases, but you can also type in your own. But just so you can see, I'm gonna choose some of the pre-written. So let's say consulted with customers or completed standards, whatever. You can also type in your own, but I'm gonna skip this step. Okay, so now tap on next experience summary and tap on next education and no thanks again. So now we are gonna fill up the education. So let's say LA High School, Los Angeles, degree a high school diploma. You will choose the graduation month. So let's say March 2016 and tap on next education summary. Tap on next skills. So now you will fill up the skills. So tap on continue. Tap on no thanks. I will add my own. So again, you can choose some of the pre-written phrases. So let's say engineer building, brake inspection, diagnostic testing, whatever. Okay, so you can again fill up your own. So let's say exhaust manufacturing, like this. You will tap on next summary again and tap on continue. No thanks once again. Okay, so this is the overall summary. So you can again choose within the pre-written phrases. So let's say I'm going to choose this one and tap on next additional sections. Okay, so now you can choose, you can add language, for example. So you will fill up your first language, which is English. And you will select another language, which is, for example, Spanish. You will choose the proficiency. So for example, advanced C1 and tap on add to resume. Okay, so now you can add more kind of details. So for example, activities and type in hiking, for example, or football, and tap on add to resume. Okay, so if you're done with the resume, you will just tap on finalize resume and tap on save next. Now you will fill up your email. Okay, so Andrew Johnson. You will fill up the password. Okay, so first of all, you gotta sign up if you haven't signed up before, and if you did, you will just log in, and they will basically send you the CV to your email. Okay, so this is it. This is how to create a CV using AI.